So today I'm going to show you how to do my lazy girl beauty. I am the laziest when it comes to putting on makeup, and I'm always in a hurry, and usually this makeup routine is done at the back of my Uber. So I always start with my SPF. This is SPF 40 and it's got silicone, so it spreads really well. Next up is lip balm. Do not forget to apply this because cracked lips and lipstick is the worst combination. Time for some good old BB cream. I'm using Majolica, which is a Japanese brand, but I think the Clinique CC cream works just as well. So I'm concentrating more closer to my eyelids because I want to mask my under eye circles a little bit. And I'm avoiding my nose because I think a bare nose gives an illusion of no makeup. So next I'm gonna give some definition to my face using my bronzer and blush duo. A little bit of bronzer goes a long way. Apply it gently in the hollows of your cheek and take it all the way up to your hairline, and just make sure it's spread evenly, otherwise it looks really blotchy. I also like to put a little bit of bronzer under my jawline just to define a little bit. Now time for some blush. I like this like peachy pink color. It looks quite natural and gives you a nice flush. I apply it on my nose also because I think it gives it a nice sun-kissed look. I like to skip eyeshadow altogether and use the bronzer just to put it in the socket of my eye to give a little bit of definition. Next, we will be using a mascara. I like a nice lengthening mascara as opposed to a really volumizing mascara. So I like to apply it on my top and bottom lashes just to open up the eyes a little bit. So forgive me for the funny packaging here, but this is my highlighter from MAC, and it's seen better days for sure. I just apply it with the same eyeshadow brush because I don't understand any other brushes, and I just put it on the high points of my cheek, a little bit in the inner corners of my eyelid, and a little bit on my nose and on the cupid's bow. And now for the finishing touch, I am using this cheek and lip tint from Etude House, which I just put in the center of my lips and let it spread out to give it a very natural gradation sort of a look. It's a Korean trend that I started using, and I think I really like the way it looks a little doll-like.
Let it be our escape, and when we separate, don't forget these tidal waves.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That was my beauty look, and tell me in the comments below what did you think. Until next time.